Tesla is the fifth company to be valued at $1 trillion. The electric vehicle manufacturer is one of just 5 firms in history to hit the $1 trillion mark. Tesla has surpassed Toyota of Japan to become the world's most valuable automaker, with its stock reaching a new high. Continuing on this upward trend, Musk said in 2019 that Tesla would build its European Gigafactory in Germany, referring to it as a machine that generates the machine. The company indicated that the factory, which would employ 12,000 people, would be capable of producing up to 500,000 autos each year. So stay tuned to find out what's going on inside Tesla's new $7 billion Cybertruck factory. But first, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button so you don't miss any of our videos. So let's get this started. According to rumors, it'll include a big rave cave as well as a swimming pool. Musk understands the importance of recreation. Join us as we study the $7 billion facility's venture and how it'll progress and what issues did Tesla face during its Berlin operation. The Tesla Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg, now under construction in Grünheide, Germany, is Tesla's first European production unit. During the Das Goldene Lenkrad Award event, Tesla CEO Elon Musk made the formal announcement of the Berlin location for the Gigafactory facility. Prior to February 22, 2017, when Tesla began referring to the Solar City Gigafactory outside Buffalo, New York as Gigafactory 2, the factory was known as Gigafactory 2. By 2017, it was planned that the European Gigafactory would be designated as either Gigafactory 4 or Gigafactory 5. In November 2019, it was dubbed Gigafactory 4 and then Giga Berlin. An undeveloped 3 square kilometer greenfield land tract designated as an individual zone extends north from the 1 square kilometer area. It was scheduled to be the location of a BMW automobile production plant around the year 2000, but BMW chose Saxony instead. In July 2020, Elon Musk revealed a rendering of the Berlin Gigafactory. The key rationale for this facility is Germany's reputation as a leader in automotive engineering. Germany produces a large number of great and skilled engineers each year, which may be gold for Tesla. Furthermore, the presence of Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, and BMW in the area attests to this long-term reality. With an annual capacity of 500,000 automobiles, Gigafactory Berlin will manufacture batteries, battery packs, powertrains, and seats, as well as casting, stamping, painting, drivetrain assembly, and final assembly of Model 3, Model Y, and future variations. The Tesla Model Y will be the first vehicle manufactured. Musk believes that the 4680 cells will be used in the European Model Y, but that's not all. It'll also have the structural battery pack, massive castings for the front and back components of the body, and Geico Takeshi's distinctive paint method. Musk also suggested that lithium iron phosphate or LFP batteries would be useful in medium-range vehicles and long-term storage. In other words, the $25,000 car it plans to build, as well as a hypothetical Model Y standard range, will be outfitted with LFP batteries. They're already in the Shanghai-built Model 3. Giga Berlin, according to Musk, will put all of these technologies to the test, which carries a huge production risk. If Fremont and Giga Shanghai are successful, they will open 2 years later. The logic is attractive, but it's also dangerous. Musk doesn't want to take any chances in Tesla's 2 main markets, the United States and China. Production will continue in the same manner as previously to ensure that both of them get the cars they want. Giga Berlin will not be in a rush, although Europe is vital. If something goes wrong, China or the United States can supply it. In other words, it is the safest place for testing this new technology. This strategy, though, may backfire if Tesla is unable to sustain the quality levels that keep European purchasers interested. This might be a problem if the structural battery raises insurance rates. If the 4680 battery creates any issues, European consumer protection organizations may make Tesla's existence in that continent more difficult than it is with competitors that buyers in that region are far more familiar with, such as Volkswagen. In terms of manufacturing, Tesla will put a lot of things into action for its Berlin Gigafactory. Tesla's Gigapress will play the most important function. The Gigapress is a set of aluminum die-casting equipment used to die-cast the whole vehicle's body. The first phase of Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin project, which is expected to begin operations later this year, is expected to produce 500,000 vehicles per year. However, given that 8 gigapresses are being erected in the Phase 1 region, it looks like Tesla may be underestimating the potential yearly production of Giga Berlin. Huge names are almost always followed by more famous names, and this is especially true in this case. Rocktech Lithium, a Canadian company, has revealed plans to construct Europe's largest lithium refining plant. It's no wonder that Tesla's Giga Berlin is attracting similar enterprises. The new Rock Tech plant will be built in Buben-Brandenburg, about 37 miles from Tesla's automobile manufacturing facility near Berlin. Battery-grade lithium hydroxide for lithium-ion batteries will be produced at the plant. This makes Rock Tech's approach interesting since it should appeal to Tesla right away. Tesla is facing a deluge of protests from local campaigners and environmentalists in reaction to its Gigafactory. When I saw on TV that the Tesla factory was going to be built here, I couldn't believe it, says Stefan Skorch, chairman of the local environmental advocacy organization NABU. Tesla requires far too much water, which the region lacks. Since then, a group of local residents has worked relentlessly to delay the project, staging rallies, sending open letters, opposing the plans, and even pursuing legal action. Tesla was forced to temporarily suspend forest cutting last year after protesters obtained an injunction against it, noting the harm it caused to lizard and snake habitats during their winter hibernation. Protesters are now focused on the Gigafactory's estimated water demand, which according to ZDF might reach up to 3.6 million cubic meters per year, or around 30% of the region's available supply. Musk and others have disputed this assessment. Gigafactory supporters want to build new waterworks in a neighboring district to serve the factory starting in 2023. The path of Tesla has been significantly more arduous than Musk expected. The firm was required to remove unexploded World War II rounds from the property. The project is also being examined for possible violations of labor standards during construction, and it could face penalties for putting in sewer lines without permission. But as we all know, Musk will find a way to solve any problem. Ich bin ein Berliner, which translates as I am a Berliner. They're the legendary statements made by John F. Kennedy in 1963 to win the hearts of the people of Berlin. Tesla is pursuing the same goal. Hearts must be gained in Germany. Last week, Tesla hosted GigaFest, a country fair timed to coincide with the launch of the Gigafactory Berlin. At the GigaFest event, Musk made a presentation about the Gigafactory Berlin and disclosed that Tesla would produce a Gigabeer. Elon Musk has come up with a number of weird concepts, ranging from a fart machine inside Tesla vehicles to flamethrowers that appeared to be pranks but became reality. As a result, we may expect a host of innovative inventions from the Berlin setting. What do you think about Musk's latest actions and how they will play out? Tell us in the comments section below. And that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content and latest updates. See you in the next video.